Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. Hello guys and welcome back to Tellychucker का yet another live with me Vishakha Pandit. So you remember that character in कैसी है यारियाँ जिसको हम लोग एक टाइम पे जब हम शो देखते थे हम उनको बहुत हेट करते थे because मानिक नंदिनी को सेपरेट कर रही है, she's not letting them meet, creating all sorts of problem. लेकिन at the end of the show अगर हम याद करें so Nayonika Malhotra was somebody who was the one जिसके कारण पूरा show was like one of the most entertaining shows apart from मानिक नंदिनी का romance. Well, मैं बात कर रही हूँ कीशा मर्चेंट की. Well, she'll be joining us any minute now and we'll be talking a lot about Kaham Kaha Tum, कैसी यारिया, her journey, now what she's doing, future plans क्या है and a lot more. So let's see how this particular life goes on for us. Hi!
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good, very good.
What
is happening?
Calm, work from home.
How's the lockdown going?
Bad.
I'm kind of used to it now, so फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
I am trying to be used to it, but still in the back of the head is like बाहर जाना है, बाहर जाना है, बाहर जाना है. But
Hi guys, hi.
They've all joined us, and before you just came, I was telling them कि कैसी है यारिया में, even though वो.
I know, I was listening to everything because I was there. Then I said, okay, let the introduction get over, then I'll send her a hi.
Because ideally your character was such only कि सबने उसको hate किया होगा, लेकिन आप ही के character के कारण the whole love story got its proper shape. नहीं तो.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
How is the quarantine and how is the lockdown treating you, by the way?
Good, yeah, good, very good. Doing crazy stuff, new stuff that I've never done.
I saw
videos. Yeah, it's going on right now well.
I saw the last video of last night where Suyash was doing a chumpy and your kangi and all.
Yeah. So I had to like wash my hair before the thing. तो मैंने करवा लिया चंपी and then I said shit मेरा कल live है मेरे क्यों ये चंपी करवाई मुझे बाद होने पड़ेंगे before the live. Because आजकल तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि जितना आपको कम काम करना पड़ रहा है उतना अच्छा है. No washing of hair and you can just sit like that at home and just chill. It's so much fun, yeah.
Well, I never knew कि मेरा ये hairband मेरे लिए इतना helpful होने वाला है.
Seriously, right? मैंने भी एक खरीद लिया था before the lockdown and I said thank God I bought it because for workout and all जब भी मतलब आज मैंने धोए अभी 6:30 बजे जब मेरा workout होगा my hair will be gone for a toss. So
because I'm too lazy कि यार सिर्फ बाल धोने के लिए specially जाओ यार नहाना धोना.
I know.
धोना सुखाना.
By the way, I've been washing my hair only once a week. Huh? Just between you and me and the viewers.
I'm at twice.
That's good.
I'm saying what all did you try?
Well, I recently मतलब क्या मैंने कल रात को पिज्जा बनाया. Okay, so that was quite a hit. Yeah. So I'd gone to Big Bazaar a few days back to buy groceries. तो तब मैंने pizza bread लाया था. So I said चलो घर पे experiment कर सकते हैं. तो मैं basically सिर्फ cheese and corn वाला pizza खाती हूँ. तो it was very simple for me to make and loved it. तो वो मैंने किया. I've started oiling my hair, which I never ever used to do. After probably school time के बाद मैंने अब जाके I've started oiling my hair before every wash that I do. So I've started doing that. I started working out on a very regular basis, which I didn't have the time for.
I saw.
Yeah. So yeah, I've been doing things here and there just to keep me busy. And obviously spending time with Batuk Pablo, Suyash hai ghar pe hi, so it's good. He keeps making his music, so I keep sitting with him sometimes in the studio, sometimes we're watching stuff together. So it's good fun, yeah. It's like the lockdown is kind of helping us also with a lot of things. It's getting families closer. It's cleansing the world. So I guess we should not crib so much. Also, we should just try and.
At a point of time, even though I'm saying that I'm bored being at home, so a few days back I said the same thing to my mother, कि mummy I'm bored being at home. So she just very slyly, in a savage manner, she's like, तो lockdown से पहले तूने क्या उखाड़ा था?
I know, right?
I'm like, hey. Hi Suyash.
Hello, what's up?
How are you?
वेरी गुड यार, ये सही लगा दिया तुमने,
है ना, मैंने यहीं पे लगा दिया ताकि यहीं से बातें कर सके। बार बार कैमरा ये करो वो करो।
How is the lockdown treating you? So you're enjoying yourself?
Brilliant, all good, I'm very happy. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। I'll be back in a minute. 1 second.
Okay, so you know what,
हाँ.
Kishore, a few days back, I saw a tweet, okay, जहाँ पे कैसी यारिया वापस आ रहा था. So I'm saying a few days ago, I saw a picture पार्क की जहाँ पे नंदनी यानी कि हमारी नीति ने लिखा था कि मानिक and all that. It was so funny.
यार मैंने ऐसे ही मस्ती कर रही थी यार,
मानिक and all that.
because I thought नीति का उसके नीचे कमेंट था we want मानिक and then उसके नीचे you know शुभवी ने लिखा था कि इतना आसान नहीं है, मानिक अब हमारा है and all of that. So I said चलो, you know, this is the right time to मारो छक्का, and that's what I did. I just went and I commented and it just went like all crazy. I think it was Kasauti versus Kaisi Hai Yaariyan happening at that time. But it's good fun because, you know, the relationship that I think Shubhavi and Parth have is obviously much stronger. हमारी इतनी एक्चुअली बात ज्यादा हुई नहीं थी. फाइनली जब हमने वूट पे जो सीजन किया उसमें वी काइंड ऑफ स्पोक अ लॉट एंड यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट उससे पहले हमारी इतनी बात नहीं हुई थी. And I used to hardly shoot Yapo Kaisi Hai Yaariyan. So, but yeah, he's a sweet boy and all. But he's definitely Parth. But he's definitely friendlier with the Kasauti gang. So
obviously,
yeah, which is very evident.
फिलहाल वहीं पे है.
Yeah, obviously.
No, but then how did it feel when, you know, did it feel like nostalgic when you saw Kaisi Hai Yaariyan back on the screen?
यार मैंने ना अभी कुछ हफ्ते क्या 2 हफ्ते पहले आई थिंक क्रिसान का भी मुझे मैसेज आया था and we did that thing also together. What do you call it? The video that we did together. जिसमें सारी कैसी है यारियां के पूरा कास्ट था, मतलब she tried to get whoever could do the video. So yeah. So we shot like little things of the title song and we sent it to her and then she got it edited and you know we all put it up. So I think जो video जिन लोगों ने उसे भेजा उसके हमने video बना के हमने डाला है. So you can have a look at all our pages. We have the कैसी है यारियां title song पर you know एक पूरा video हमने IGTV video बनाया. So all that was very nostalgic and I think it's nice when people are doing this because you know कुछ करते रहना है, and because we are from the entertainment field, I think it's very important to keep our audience entertained even if we are in the house and even if we are in the lockdown, you know. तो वो हम मतलब कुछ कर रहे हैं. तो I think it's great yeah that Neeti and Krisan took this initiative and they actually called up everybody, messaged everybody, collected the videos from everybody, got it edited and you know all of that. So it was really nice.
So you know what, Kishore, I would say that अभी के लिए currently 2 ऐसे प्रोमिनेंट शोज रहे हैं जिनका आप पार्ट रहे हैं, जिनको फैंस ने बहुत सराहा है. वन इज कैसी यारियां, द नेक्स्ट इज कहां तो. नो डाउट बोथ ऑफ देम हैव एंडेड, बट देन दोनों में आपके जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनको इंडिविजुअली फैंस ने इतना पसंद किया है कि द लव हैज बीन इमेंस. सो व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर आउट ऑफ द 2 ऑफ देम?
सी डेफिनेटली कैसी है यारियां. ओके. Because I think it was a fantastic role, yeah, and it was so nice because it was underplayed. It was not a very over dramatic character. It was just very you know subtle but very hard hitting. So definitely कैसी है यारियां. But कहाँ तुमका एक अलग charm था because you know it started off on a positive role and then how it took like a drastic negative change. So वो एक अलग वो था, graph था उस character का. तो I think I kind of enjoyed doing both. But yeah, personal favorite definitely would be Nayonika Malhotra.
Okay, and you know what? Because I have been an avid watcher of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, I've watched it from the very first episode to the last episode. So while I used to watch, मेरे दिल में होता था यार कहाँ Nayonika को कभी ये लोग positive दिखाएंगे? Might be there's some back story, might be there's some twist to it, like you know वो आएगी वो हृदय परिवर्तन के साथ and all those things. Did you ever have that thing in the head? Because fans ने बहुत message किए होंगे, I'm sure.
यार वो वूट वाले पे फाइनली मैं थोड़ा सा हो गई थी थ्रू द सीजन. हाँ बट उसके एंड में वापस ऐसे ही पता चलता है कि यू नो इट वाज ऑल मतलब का खेल. बट यही है कि नियोनिका अगर पॉजिटिव हो जाती तो शायद मैं करती भी नहीं वो सीजन यू नो वापस, बिकॉज देन इट वुड बी नो फन. बिकॉज fans only like me, people only like me as Nayonika because it's a negative character.
Yes.
I don't think they would have liked it because, you know, if it would have been only because I was always separating Manik and Nandini all the time and they were trying to get back together was the whole story. So you know, to not have that character and have that character be positive would have been such a disaster.
But do you
I
know
think.
that they want another season of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan?
Well, fans always want another season of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and it's amazing that अभी भी मतलब जैसे ही कुछ होता है तो कैसी है यारियां वाले जो हार्डकोर फैंस हैं, they are so active that they are just making edits and this that. मतलब it takes them hardly like 2 minutes. Yeah, the video came up. Kirsan ने वो video upload किया and within like 5 minutes we had so many edits and so many people tagging us, you know, in the videos, and I'm like, my God, it's crazy the amount of fan.
Fans उसका भी season 2 expect कर रहे हैं और मांग रहे हैं कि we need काम कहा तुमका season 2.
I think this is happening because, you know, it just ended very abruptly. It just suddenly ended, na? Matlab, even we were not ready. And we also were not aware कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. Of course, we were informed a month in advance. But it was like, and especially for me, because I had just entered the show. I just started shooting for it. And, you know, it had been 3 months. I'd got to know the cast. I'd gotten so friendly with them. I used to hang out with them every day. I'm still in touch with them. Like, the group is the most active group on WhatsApp that I have. So, yeah, I mean, for me, it was like, कि क्यों खत्म हो गया, you know, इतना जल्दी, because we were just getting into the groove of everything and it just ended. So, yeah, I think because of that also, हमारे उसमें भी ऐसा है कि season 2 आना चाहिए, and I think fans also feel the same way.
अच्छा, so if you could have given, let's say, because मैं mostly actors ये करवाती हूँ, मैं उनको truth serum कहती हूँ देने के लिए अपने किसी चहीते लोगों को. So if you would have been given a chance to give this invisible truth serum to any 2 people out of truth serum, किसको देना चाहेंगे?
हाँ.
और उनसे क्या सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे, mind you?
Well, I think truth serum मैं देना चाहूँगी. Oh, like that. Okay. So I think I'll give it to Parth from Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and I'll give it to Neeti. So because Bahu and Beta, you know. So
सवाल क्या पूछोगे? पार्थ और नीति से
बाप रे, ये तो मुझसे मत ही पूछ. ये तो I don't think मैं तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
What will you ask?
I think I don't want to ask them. I want to tell them that I think they should both do a live chat together.
They did before.
Oh, they did?
Thing went ahead, na? They did a proper like an hour or 2 का live chat.
Oh, I didn't know this. वरना मैं जाती हूँ उस live chat पे यार, to like chat with them and all. I didn't know they've done that.
Proper एक सवा घंटे का पूरा chat किया उन्होंने live.
Wow, that is great. So then I don't have anything to say to them. I think it's all good then.
Okay, what about काम कहाँ तुम? क्या
काम कहाँ तुम में से मैं दूंगी ग्रोवर को, क्योंकि वो है पागल थोड़ा सा, तो उसको दे दूंगी. और दूसरा किसको दूंगी? चलो सुयश बोल रहा है कशिश को, कशिश को दे दूंगी.
मेरे को याद ही हुई है इसमें.
तो कशिश को दिया. मेरी बेटी को
उनसे क्या सवाल पूछेंगे?
उनसे क्या सवाल पूछूंगी?
चले उनका कोई पोल खोल दीजिए.
मैं करण ग्रोवर को तो ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, और चाहती हूँ कि वो सच बोले कि वो सच में क्वारंटीन में काम कर रहा है या सिर्फ ऐसे फोटोग्राफ्स भेजता रहता है हमें ग्रुप पे कि मैं कभी ये कर रहा हूँ, कभी वो कर रहा हूँ, एंड यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड कुकिंग एंड बर्तन धो रहा है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. हाय यूसी. Sorry. So yeah. So ये मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ उससे. और कशिश से पूछना चाहती हूँ कि क्या पूछना चाहती हूँ? Well, वो मेरे साथ वर्कआउट करती है और आजकल वो नहीं कर रही है. So I guess I want to know why she's not.
Right.
No. I can't watch it again.
Season 13.
I can't watch it again.
This one we just got over.
Being rerun again.
1 second, hello.
Season 13, I can't watch it.
The one we just got over, is it coming again?
Yeah, it started coming again on Colors.
Dude, another 5.5 months, no way.
I know, इतना तो lockdown में नहीं चलेगा यार.
Hopefully.
Let them breathe, let people breathe, as in, वो भी अपने आप को देखेंगे भाई फिर से 5 मिनट. No, it's okay. I mean.
Yeah. Can't watch it again. I've watched the whole season. I've given all my Vishesh tippani on everything that everybody was doing. So I don't think I want to watch it again, and I don't think I have the stamina and the capacity to watch the whole thing again.
But you know what? There is one such show अभी तक वापस रीरन नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन फैंस डिमांड कर रहे हैं, वो है सुयश का फिर भी दिल ना माने बदतमीज दिल.
फिर भी ना माने बच्चे.
Aww.
They are desperately wanting that show to come back, be it with
Really?
a rerun, be it with another season. Yes, because मैंने अभी परसों अस्मिता के साथ लाइव किया था. They were writing that we want it back, we want it back.
मुझे लगता है दिल्ली चक्कर को बना देना चाहिए.
Surely, I will wait to Banwari sir.
यार इतना पैसा लेके कहाँ जाओगे तुम लोग यार? प्रोड्यूस कर दो.
I will tell Anil Banwari sir that
बोल रहे प्रोड्यूस कर.
अनिल को मैं मैसेज कर दूंगा अपनी तरफ से. अनिल और प्रेरणा को भी बोल देता अपने पापा को मनाए.
I am okay with it.
ठीक है, brilliant. I love that idea. I'll speak to Pearl and Asmita, both of them.
He's going to
Fans के
speak
लिए
to
इससे ज्यादा
everybody.
अच्छी बात कोई नहीं होगी, Suyash, that Pearl, Asmita and you are coming back together on the screen. They'll love
Yeah,
it.
we'll be more than happy to do it. Yeah.
I am
Yeah.
sure.
हमारे
But
पिछले
you know what,
festival.
Keeshan? I have a few bunch of favorites about yourself. Few of your
Okay.
secrets जो मैं चाहती हूँ spill करिए हमारे सामने. So I'll start
Secrets?
rolling out the question, okay?
Okay.
Secret.
Yeah.
Brand the
One
secrets.
such
Where
line
did you-
जो
where
बहुत
did you
regularly
help?
बोल देती हैं कीश्वर, वो कौन सा होगा?
क्या?
One such lie जो आप बहुत regularly ऐसे ही बैठे-बैठे बोल देती हैं, वो कौन सा होगा?
वो क्या है?
कि मैं बहुत चगाती हूँ.
Okay. So in this lockdown, जब से ये lockdown शुरू हुआ है, because he keeps making his songs, I keep sitting next to him and everything that he's listening to, I'm like, अरे इससे अच्छा तो मैं गा लेती यार. इससे अच्छा तो मैं. So that is what he's saying. The lie is that I can sing better than anybody else, which I actually keep doing आजकल.
Okay. एक ऐसी line that can be considered as your takya kalam, like the one that you keep saying too much. Patent line.
था.
ये मेरे इंटरव्यूज मेरा लाइव चल रहा है क्या?
अय्या, बोलो अय्या. I keep doing that to him. मतलब he used to do it बचपन में, but अब उसने मुझे सिखा दिया तो मैं उसको करती रहती थी. अय्या, अय्या.
One food that you can consider as a cheat diet.
Last night pizza.
या पिज्जा तो है, but I think मैं cheat diet वाइट में believe नहीं करती हूँ. मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ हर रोज.
यारी का दिन हो गया आज.
So yeah, like आज भी मेरे घर में बिरयानी बनी है, guys. So it's
So where does it all go?
that's why I work out 6 o'clock to 7:30. I work out so that I can eat.
I got it. Okay. One such food that will 101% be counted as your 2 a.m. craving.
आजकल है मखाना, watermelon, malai and bread. I don't know if people know what malai and
course
bread is.
I do.
चीनी के साथ ना मलाई ब्रेड चीनी.
Yeah, malai bread chini. Oh my god. रोज सुबह 5 बजे मैं और सुयश वही खाते हैं while watching TV. Love it.
Okay. Okay.
अभी भी मुंह में पानी आ रहा है मेरे.
It just got me right now. Like, okay. Okay. 3 places in Mumbai that you desperately want to go as soon as the lockdown is done and dusted and the conditions are favorable.
In Mumbai only.
Yes.
Bandra, which is Bandstand. Then where else? To probably a movie theater. Any movie theater would do in Bombay.
That's gonna be long.
To eat popcorn.
Yeah, to have popcorn basically. And where else would I want to go? I guess Bandra only, yeah, because that is one place that I used to go to every night. So I kind of miss
He's
that.
saying Bademia.
The bandstand. Bademia, yeah. I think he wants to go there.
दूसरा
ये
कौन
घर
सा
के
था?
One
खाने से
habit of
खुश नहीं
yours
है.
that you want to change.
Sorry?
One habit of yours that you want to change.
One habit of mine that I want to change.
After lockdown? After lockdown?
अभी मतलब normal habit. What would I want to change?
बोल मेरे को परेशान करना. बोल क्यों नहीं रही है वहाँ पे?
तो यार
ये
वो
मुझे
सारा
परेशान
अधिकार
करता है.
बन गया अब. That cannot
हाँ?
be changed. That is like the अधिकार now. That
Yeah,
can't be changed.
exactly. I mean, कौन समझाए?
नहीं. You're getting it all wrong, people. That's definitely not the adhikar. I mean, it is adhikar, but too much of adhikar is परेशानी.
पता नहीं यार मेरी क्या बुरी आदत है. I think Sometimes when I snap, आजकल तो नहीं करती हूँ, but sometimes when I snap, so I would want to change that.
I think yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, as seeing that Kishore Suyash is very much interested in giving answers, why don't
Yeah.
we play a game with both of you? जिसमें हमको जरा राज पता चल जाए. I'm okay with it.
ठीक है.
हाँ, मैं सिर्फ मेरी आवाज
Okay.
आएगी, but
इसकी आवाज आएगी बोल रहे हैं.
आप दोनों में से who is most likely to be extra sweet to people to just get their work done?
to get their work done,
Yeah.
I am.
No, I think it's me.
Yeah, I am sweet generally. I don't.
He
do
is
it.
genuinely very sweet. I am kind of a BEACH, beach, I want to call myself. So yeah, but no yaar, I'm not that bad also.
डब्बा मतलब नहीं है।
But yeah, sometimes ऐसा कभी कुछ काम निकालने के लिए कर लेती हूँ.
डब्बा
Sweet हो
मतलब नहीं
जाती
है।
हूँ. हाँ? नहीं.
Okay. आप दोनों में से who is most likely to be more experimental towards their haircut?
He, obviously he. देखो अभी लॉकडाउन में देख लो क्या क्या कर चुका है. ये क्या बाल है, ये क्या बाल है.
I saw the video.
Yeah.
और मुझे काटने भी नहीं दे रहा था. पागल कहीं का.
यार अगर गलती
I saw
करूँ
the
खुद
video
करूँ
and
ताकि
I
अपने आप को
was
गाली दे
getting
सकूं. Obviously ना, इसको बाद में गालियाँ पड़ी ऐसा थोड़ी लगेगा. हाँ.
I saw that video where you were requesting him कि let me stop.
Yeah,
your
she's
hair.
like-
Everybody's wife is doing this for them, yaar.
But those wives are talented when it comes to hair cutting. She's not. मतलब it's only about hair cutting.
Okay, who is most likely to wear the most atrangi kapde on a party?
Obviously, he's Ranveer Singh.
Thank you.
Okay, who
पर
is most
आजकल नहीं
likely?
करता इतना
मैं
जितना
पार्टी
पहले
नहीं
करता
जाता
था.
हूँ.
Things have
पहले बहुत
changed.
करता था. ऐसे बियर्ड 2 अलग अलग चप्पल पहन के चला जाता था पार्टी में. पार्टी में चप्पल कौन पहन के जाता है, बट वो करता था
Yeah.
ऐसे. या
मैं.
ये
Like
करता.
actually, guys do that thing. They even go in like movie or dates में चप्पलों में जाते हैं.
Yeah, they just go anyhow.
It's cool.
They don't understand.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे साथ कौन चप्पल पहन के है?
Okay.
तुम बड़ी टची लग रही हो.
अच्छा. आप दोनों में से who do you think जिसको ज्यादा मेल या फीमेल अटेंशन मिलती होगी when you go out?
आप मुझे बताओ किसको मिलती होगी. नहीं, you tell me.
I have my answer ready. I want to know from you too.
Yes. कमीना. ये इसको हर जगह फीमेल अटेंशन तो मिलती है, मेल भी मिलती है.
How sweet, dude.
Not like that.
How
but-
sweet, yeah. The fuck, dude.
हाँ.
And कौन जल्दी jealous हो जाता है?
यार तुम सोचती क्यों नहीं है बोलने से पहले?
Out of the two of you, who is more quickly jealous
Who
or
you
is more
start?
possessive? Who is more possessive?
हाँ, I think यही. फालतू.
Okay. Out of the two of you, who
Yeah.
do you think has done the maximum illegal things?
Illegal things.
Out of the two of you, who do you think has done the maximum illegal things? Okay. Okay. Out of the two of you, who do you think has broken a rule and have never got caught?
Both.
Out of the two of you, who do you think has bribed a policeman?
Both.
ये तो काट देना है ठीक. वो कटेगा कैसे लाइव है.
Okay. Out of the two of you, who is most likely to be drunk and never accept कि मैं drunk हूँ?
Oh.
He accepts all the time.
Yeah, but I don't get
And
drunk.
only he, because I don't drink only, so it has to be only him all the time.
Perfect. Out of the two of you, Suyash, now is your chance, okay, to reveal the truth. Out of the two of you, who says sorry first?
Baby, I'll तेरी.
देखा कैमरे में मार रहे हैं लोगों को. कैमरे में लड़की को मारते हैं. शर्म.
एक बार वहाँ देख के बोल, तूने कब सॉरी बोला? एक बार देख के बोल.
ये ट्रेंड करा देना, वायरल करा देना.
कितने को मारा?
लड़की को मार दे.
बीवी है तू मेरी.
Okay.
my
Out of
God.
the two of you, who do you think, if you plan for each other, अगर सुयश आपके लिए कुछ कपड़े decide करें, and if you choose some dress for Suyash, who do you think will turn out to be a disaster? Bad fashion sense.
I think both of us are quite good at it.
No, but then
Yeah.
for each other, for each other.
We are okay with each other. Yeah. Not bad.
Okay. Okay. Has it ever happened? Okay, last one. Has it ever happened in the case of both of you that you are so irritated on each other, but you still smile and be like, "Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, I love you."
Always.
I like that question though. But I think that's everywhere.
Yeah.
That's in
और
every...
आजकल तो ऑप्शन भी नहीं है ना लॉकडाउन
हाँ,
में
कितना भी इरिटेटेड होता हूँ कहीं बाहर जा नहीं सकता
तो फिर
तो उसकी चार घुसंड मार के आई लव यू बोल देते हैं 4 घुसंड मार के आई लव यू बोल देते सेम थिंग
Oh God, I am so glad that I played this game with the two of you. It was so much fun. I have just laughed. Okay, Keisha, you know what? After doing so many characters on screen and being loved for the maximum of them, now
Thanks, sir.
what kind of characters are gonna excite you? In what kind of characters and roles do you see yourself?
I think I want to play a lesbian, very
Wow.
frankly. Yeah, because I think that is one character probably that I've not done ever. Because I've done everything else on TV, but I want to do web shows. What are you doing? I think he's getting very excited with the whole idea.
My phone
उसका फोन गिर गया भाई फोन गिर गया
बेटा संभाल के बेटा आराम से सब ठीक हो जाएगा सब ठीक हो जाएगा आराम से एक्साइट हो गई है तो बहुत तुम तो बहुत एक्साइट हो गई हो टेली चक्कर बना रहा है क्या कोई सीरीज
My phone.
अरे फिर से
My phone will keep going
I think
down.
your phone got excited.
So yeah.
My phone is like, this is a good live session. I'll keep falling down now.
That would be something I would want to do because it would be very challenging for me because I have never done something like that ever in my life. So yeah, and I want to do a lot of web shows because I think web shows ka jo content hai is really good, and yeah, I would love to work on a web series.
Okay, lastly, what if I tell you that, tomorrow you wake up as somebody else, like an actor or something, okay? And then you just get to live their life for one day. तो कौन से ऐसे 2 टीवी के कलाकार हैं और कौन से ऐसे बॉलीवुड के 2 कलाकार हैं जिनकी तरह आप उठना चाहेंगे और उनकी लाइफ जीना चाहेंगे फॉर वन डे?
टीवी के मतलब तो हमारे जैसे ही
टीवी वाले अगर मैं किसी के तरह उठना चाहूँ कौन होगा? कौन हो सकता है? टीवी?
Can be of your
I think
show.
Bollywood का पहले जवाब देती हूँ.
Yeah.
That is simpler.
हाँ
I think I would want to wake up as Alia Bhatt because then I can spend one whole day with Ranbir Kapoor. So I would love that. So yeah, I would want to do that.
ये तो मत ही करना मेरी तो अपनी नजरों में गिर जाएगी
यही बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. I would want to wake up as Suyash and see कि ये जो झूठे इल्जाम किशोर पे लगाता है वो सच है या झूठ?
और अगर सच हुए तो
नहीं झूठ है.
सच हुए तो क्या
तो तुझे
अच्छा सुयश लास्ट में आप सिर्फ मेरी ऑडियंस को बता दीजिए कि ऐसी कोई 2 चीजें जो कीश्वर करती है और जो लोगों को उसका आइडिया नहीं है. इट कैन बी अ हैबिट.
मुझ पे जुल्म मुझ पे जुल्म
Okay.
इसका आइडिया सिर्फ एक पति को ही हो सकता है मुझे भी नहीं था शादी से पहले मुझे भी नहीं
Okay.
नहीं यार I think
apart from that,
what people will never know about her is that when she's sweet she's genuinely very very sweet. People normally think when she comes across like a very arrogant person, when people normally when they meet her for the first time or they look at her, she comes across like a very arrogant and full of attitude or whatever you call it, but which she's not. She looks like that, probably she has that look on her face, but otherwise she's very very sweet and she's loving, which people will only understand once they know her. I think yeah.
Kishore has done the quote of आज की तारीफ on the live itself. See?
हाँ इसके बाद घुसंडी घुसंडा लाइव काटते इतना मारो ऐसे.
Kishore, any parting message that you want to give your fans? Because it's been a lovely chat with you today, I would say.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. We didn't get a chance to read all the messages, but I hope you guys enjoyed the chat and try to make it as fun as possible for all of you. And yeah, continue loving us like this, the way you do, unconditionally. And love you guys too much. And thank you for always being there, for appreciating, for loving us. Yeah, thank you. And be
Thank
home,
you
be safe.
so much. वैसे you know what? I think Kishwar, your mother is, I think, is your mother's name Rizwan?
Yeah, she came somewhere.
Yeah,
She said something.
Think, अच्छा मेरी बेटी जुल्म करती है.
आज तो ये गया.
तू बता अपनी मम्मी को, सच बता.
I love you guys. I swear, like she also putting that message there is like एक number. Well, thank you so much, Kishwar. It was a pleasure talking to you. Be home,
Same.
stay safe, and I'll see you soon.
You
Bye,
too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye. See you all. Bye.
That was Kishore Merchant for you. I'm so sorry for the beach mein jo glitches aa rahe the. Unfortunately, the phone fell and we were laughing like mad. But all in all, the session was a pretty fun one. It was a good session with both of them and I enjoyed it and I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, thank you so much for watching this live. And until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off. And stay home, be safe. Thank you so much.